Find x given the mean is 12. There are 5 values, so you place these 5 values and you divide by 5. The mean is 12, place 12 there. You cross multiply, you get 7 positive 3 plus 3x positive 15 plus 20 is equal to 60. You add 7 with 3, 10, and then to 15 that's 25, and then to 20 that's 45, plus 3x is equal to 60. Move this 45 to the other side, you get 60 minus 45, which is 15. So 3x is equal to 15, so x is equal to 15 over 3. 3 divides 15 5 times, therefore x is equal to 5. That's the solution. Evaluate 3 over 4 squared. This is nothing but 3 squared over 4 squared. 3 squared is 3 multiplied with 3. 4 squared is 4 multiplied with 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 4 is 16. So this is the solution for this question. Find 0.51 times 3.1.4, given that 5.1 times 3.14 is 16.014. So you take 0.51, you multiply by 10, you divide by 10, and then you take 31.4, you multiply by 10, you divide by 10. The reason is that I want to have this over here. When you multiply by 10, this will become 5.1, so you have a 10 already there. When you divide 31.4 by 10, this will become 3.14 times 10. Now clearly this can be rewritten as 5.1 times 3.14. You have a 10 over here, 10 over here, they get cancelled. But this is already given. 5.1 times 3.14 is 16.014. That's the solution for this question. Share 1400 in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5. Foremost take 2, 3 and 5, add them. 2 with 3, 5, 5 with 5 will give you 10. Then you take 1400, you divide it by 10, that would give you 140. Next you take 140, you multiply by the ratio. You got 2 there, multiply by 2 is going to be 0, 8 and 2. So that's the first share. Take the same value, multiply by 3, that's going to be 12, 1, 4, 2, 0. That's the second share. So take 140, multiply by 5. That's going to be 2, 7, 2, 0. So that's the third share. So the first share is 280. The second share is 420. The third share is 700. 50% of a number is 45. What is 2 over 3 of this number? So 50% means 50 over 100 of x is 45. You cancel this, 5 divides here 2 times. So x is nothing but 2 times 45. X is equal to 90. Now you take this 90, you need to find 2/3 of this number. So 3 divides 90 30 times. 2 times 3, 0 is going to be 60. So that's the answer for this question. Now if you were to observe the question, the numbers are actually split. At one point you see 86, and at the other point, if you see the question, the numbers are actually split. At one point you see 80, at the other point you see 200. So what you have to do is, you have to split 86 as 80 positive 6 and retain 205 as it is. The other place you split 205 as 200 positive 5, because that's the way they are splitting here. Now this can be rewritten by distributive property as 80 times 205 positive 6 times 205. Same distributive property, 86 times 200 positive 86 times 5. Now you go up and you check which of these choices suits you. Now 80 times 205, no, definitely this is not there. Now 86 times the 20, what do you got? 86 times 20 plus 86 times 20, so this is not there. Now 86 times the 205 positive 86 times 205, so this one also fails. But 86 times 200 positive 86 times 5, 86 times 200 positive 86 times 5, so this is the choice. So the choice D will be the right answer. Now this is a nice question. What is the least number of mangoes that can be distributed among 4, 7 and 8 teachers? So what are they trying to say is, you have 4 teachers and you have 7 teachers, right, and so on and so forth. So the distribution should be even, or I would say equal, right? You have to equally give something to all of them, to 4 people, to 7 people, 8 people. So in that case they are asking us to find LCM. So find the LCM of 4, 7 and 8. So what happens here? 2 divides here 2 times, 2 cannot divide 7, but 2 divides here 4. Next 2 divides here once, and 2 divides 4 twice, but 2 cannot divide 7. So you multiply all of this. So this is going to be 2 into 2 into 7 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 7 is equal to 56. So you need 56 mangoes to be distributed equally among 4 people, 7 people or 8 people. So that will be the solution. Now we are asked in the number 3.142, what is the value of 2? Now this is a 4-digit number. The last digit is actually a number of the form 2 divided by 1000. So this is the solution for this question. Okay, this is the next question. In a class of 100 students, 70% are girls. 50% of the girls, they bring their laptops. We are expected to find the number of girls. So first, 70% means 70 over 100 of 100 students. So this means 70 are girls. And what is the other thing they are saying? They are saying 50% of this 70, they bring the laptop. So that means we will have to take 50 divide by 100 of 70. So that means 0 0 gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 into 7, that's 35. So that means total number of girls is equal to 35. That's the solution for this question. We are expected to simplify. Now for this, you see the denominator, it is common. So that was going to be the LCM for this. Now 4y divides 4y one time. So 3 into 1, that's 3. Sign is positive. 4y divides 4y once. 5 into 1, 5. 3 added with 5 will give you 8. 8 over 4y. Now 4 divides 8 2 times. So the solution is going to be 2 over y. That's the answer for this question. Now a star b means root of a squared negative b squared. Find the value of 10 star 6. So this is nothing but root of 10 squared negative 6 squared. 10 squared is 100, 6 squared is 36. You subtract 100 negative 36, you will get 64. Square root of 64 is equal to 8. This can be written as plus or minus, but in the choice we only have 8. So 8 will be the solution. That means choice D. Now 7, 4, 9, x and 13 gives a mean of 7. We are asked to find x. So you take 7 added with 4 with 9 with x with 13. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by 5. We are given that the mean is 7. So 7 times 5, that's going to be 35. You add 7 with 4, 11. That's 20. 20 with 13 will give me 33 positive x. Okay. So move this 33 to the other side. You get 35 negative 33. You subtract, you get x to be equal to 2. So that's the answer. Now the question is, what percentage of 20 is 12? So they're asking us to find what percentage of 20 is 12. So this is how you need to formulate. So this is going to be 20 times x is equal to 12 into 100. So x is equal to 12 into 100 divided by 20. So you can cancel the zeros. 2 divides here 6 times 6 into 10 is going to be 60. So this means 60% of 20 will give you 12. Okay, so that's the understanding. So this is the answer to the question. Now you need to convert this to this. So 0.57 I'm going to multiply by 10 and divide by 10. And 2.3 I'm going to multiply by 10 and divide by 10. Now I need to get 5.7. That means I multiply by 10. So this will be 5.7. And I need to get 0.23. So that means I'm dividing by 10. So this is going to give me 0.23 and I have a 10 there. 10 gets cancelled. So this is going to give me 5.7 times 0.23. But 5.7 times 0.23 is 1.311. So that's the solution for this question. Now this is the next question. We got to evaluate 12.2 divided by 0.02. So this is nothing but 12.2 over 0.02. I want to get rid of this decimals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 0.02 by 100 and divide by 100. So that's exactly what is happening here. So this is rewritten as 12.2 times 100 divided by, when you multiply 0.02 with 100 you get 2. Now when you multiply 12.2 with 100 you get 1, 2. The decimal gets moved towards the right. So it's going to be 1220 divided by 2. So 2 divides by 6 times, 1 times 0 times. So the answer is 610. Now you got to write this in standard form. Now to write 0 0.00987 to the standard form, you need to move the decimal 1 place, 2 and 3 places. So this is going to be 9.87. Since you have moved it to 3 places, you multiply by 10 with the exponent -3. So this is the solution for this question. Now share $800 in the ratio of 3:5. So first you add 3 to 5, you get 8, and then what you have to do is you will have to divide 800 with 8. That will give you the value of 1 share. So that's going to be 100. So therefore 3:5. So 3 times 100, that's $300, and 5 times 100, that's $500. So the value of the smallest share, that's going to be $300. Now you got a question. 50 students are there, 60% are boys. Out of this, 40% wear contact. We are expected to find the number who are wearing contact lenses. So 60% of 50 is nothing but 60 over 100 of 50. So 0 gets cancelled here. So that means we got 30. So you have 30 boys. And out of this 30, you have 40% of the boys wear contact lenses. So 40 of 30. So 0 gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled. 4 into 3 is 12. So therefore 12 boys wear contact lenses. Okay, so that's the answer to this question. Thank you.